Sum of example is the sum of 10 and 5. Two algebraic expression. 10 plus 5. 6 more than twice a number. 2x plus 6. Now, verbal statement to mathematical statement. Twice the difference of x and 4. Twice the difference of x and 4. Twice a certain number increase by 22 is 55. Twice a certain number increase by 22 is 55. The average of a number and 10 is 20. The average of a number is 20.
My name is Digo Majanasli. Ari po ang aking topic. Translating mathematical to English. Ang example po ay 4 plus n. Ganito po siya ita-translate. Ganito po siya i-translate. The sum of 4 and a number. Number 2. N minus 6. Ganito po siya i-translate sa English. Ganito po siya i-translate. 6 less than a number. Number 3. N minus 2 ay 3 minus n squared or 3n squared. Ganito po siya i-translate. The product of the 3 and the square of a number. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rex J. A. De Los Reyes. Ito po ang aking topic. Translating mathematical to English. N plus 4. 4. More. N plus 4. 4 more than a number. 2n plus 6. Da? the sum of twice a number and 6. 9 plus n cubed. Nine increase by a number cube. Ito po ang aking topic for today's. Thank you po.
Translating mathematical to English. Ang una po nating example ay 6 less than 12. 6 is less than 12. Kaya po tayo may is ay gumamit po tayo ng less than. Ang sunod naman po nating example ay 8 minus n. 8 less a number. Ang ibig sabihin po ng less ay minus. At ang ibig sabihin naman po ng number ay n. Ang pangatlo naman po nating example ay x plus y x squared. The sum squared of the sum of the two number. Ang nagre-represent naman po ng squared ay 2. At ang nagre-represent ng sum ay plus. At nagre-represent naman po ng number ay x at y. Ano po ang aking topic? Translating mathematical to English. These are my first example. Trace the sum of x and y. X and 9. Kaya po sum kasi po plus yung ginamit. Or pwede rin pong ganito. Ito po. And my second example is 5a divided with 4. Kaya po quotient yung ginamit ko kasi pinag-divide. Pwede rin po siyang rekta na lang po tulad dito. Yan. Ganito po siya i-translate. The quotient of the sum and difference of A and B. Pwede rin po siyang ganito. The sum of A and B divided by their differences.